Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. This video created for who loves iOS 15 updated. If you wish to upgrade your iOS device to iOS version 15. Let's see what's new in iOS 15 update. iOS 15 update isn't officially available for the users yet. There is no official release date, and the people will just have to wait until Apple decides to release this major iOS update for all devices. However, iOS 15 is packed with new features that help you connect with others, be more present and in the moment, explore the world, and use powerful intelligence to do more with iPhone than ever before. Before start, watch your device have permission, compatible with new update iOS 15. Now, I love to share my favorite iOS features with you. Safari browser updates. Safari browser have new look in this update. Let me explain. After update Safari, we can use grid tabs. The new tab bar maximizes your screen space and stays out of the way as you scroll and explore. It's easily reachable at the bottom, so you can navigate and jump between tabs with just your thumb. And other things is search bar drop to down area in the browser. Look amazing, huh? When we moves away even further when you scroll down a page. You swipe left and right on it to move between tabs. Pull down on the top of the page to refresh it. I think best thing is Safari browser support now extensions. Now we can install Safari extensions on your iPhone. And just like on Mac, you can choose when the extensions will be active. Live text options. In this feature we can copy what we want to things in camera. We can translate with camera. It's supported to many languages. We can copy-paste this text using camera. Photo collections in messages and shared things. Multiple photos in messages now appear as a collage or an elegant stack of images that you can swipe through. Tap to view them all as a grid or add a quick tap back and save them to your library with just a few taps. It's mean we can view pictures like a gallery. Other thing is we can share content with gallery without going back to messages. Notifications. Redesigned notifications. Notifications have a new look, including contact photos and larger app icons to make them easier to identify. Quickly catch up with a helpful collection of your notifications delivered daily, based on a schedule you set. FaceTime updates. Fast times have big change in this time. Let me explain what's going to change in this update. I think you are going to like this update with FaceTime. While we call with FaceTime, sometime we are not happy with our background, but this FaceTime update gives portrait mode FaceTime calling. Then we can get better look while calling with FaceTime. Grid view while calling with FaceTime. Grid view shows people on your FaceTime call in the same size tiles, so you can have better conversations with a large group. The speaker is automatically highlighted so you always know who's talking. Another thing is we can identify who is talking within this grid view option. Spatial audio. Individual voices sound like they're coming from the direction in which each person is positioned on your screen, helping conversations flow more naturally. And this audio option will help you reduce noise in background while you are using FaceTime. It's called mic modes. Voice isolation minimizes background noise and puts your voice front and center. When the music or sounds around you are as important as what you have to say, wide spectrum leaves the ambient sound unfiltered. Fast times introduce share play option now. It's mean you can share your screen with your friends. Keep FaceTime conversations going as you watch TV shows and movies, listen to music, or share your screen with share play. It's an entirely new way to have experiences with family and friends, no matter the distance. Watch together, stream movies and TV shows while on a FaceTime call with friends. With synced playback and controls, you'll see everyone laugh, jump, and react to the same moments at the same time. And the volume automatically adjusts, so you can keep talking while you watch, listen together, get together and listen to an album with friends. The whole group can see what's next and add songs to a shared queue with synced playback and easy-to-use controls. Maps are now different with this cool update. This called All New City Experience. I think cities have now 3D look with map. New driving features. Maps now offers drivers incredible road details like turn lanes, crosswalks, and bike lanes. street-level perspectives as you approach complex interchanges, and a new dedicated driving map that helps you see current incidents and traffic conditions at a glance. Other cool things in Maps, we can now use walking instructions. It shows step-by-step look in new update. iOS 15 updates give more cool features. Much more. You can read them with their official website. This all information I have created with official Apple website. Therefore all credits should be goes with official site. However, this new update are great. However, iOS 15 update isn't officially available for the users yet. There is no official release date, and the people will just have to wait until Apple decides to release this major iOS update for all devices. Do you think this iOS update is good? And what missed cool feature to me? Give a comment. Your comments are lovely welcome. Subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you. See you again.